If you are a web developer or a client, sometime you visit a website and you want to know about the theme and plugin the website is using. In this tutorial, I will show you how to detect the theme of any website even if they hide it. I will tell you two different methods to detect the theme of any website. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. You will be get notified when I upload my next video. Okay, let's start it. In first method, we will detect the theme of any website using two different online website available. You can find the link of the websites in the description below. Here is the website of one of my client. So I want to detect the theme of the website and another website you can see. So I will tell you how to detect the themes of these three websites even if they hide it. So let's get started. Our first website is isitwp.com. You can find the link in the description. And the second one is WP Theme Detector. Just copy the link of the website you want to analyze and paste the link on the search bar which is shown on these websites, and they will analyze it for you and they will post the detail after analyzing. So here we can see the Australian Content Authority Services is using Divi theme uh, as their theme builder and visual builder. So this website did not show any install plugin. So we go to the WP theme detector. Wait for a few seconds. It is processing the website. Okay, here it shows the WV theme, and it also tells the version 3.12. And if we scroll down, we can see more details and the install plugin. You can see they are using profile organize blog, a social media plugin, and Yoast SEO. So you can easily find the themes and plugins of any website. Okay, in next step, we will analyze the second website. Is it WP is not recommended, but I mostly use WP theme detector, which actually give is better than is it WP.com. So, but sometimes WP theme detector did not work, so you can use isitwp.com. And the third website we are going to analyze is related to construction, uh, which I don't know which theme they are using. So just copy and paste the link to these two online available website. Okay, enjoy is the theme that they are using on their website. Their parent theme is Divi of yoga website, which we post earlier. Okay, now we will check the construction theme on WP theme detector and let's see what it shows. Is it WP did not show any result. I don't know why it's showing this error, but don't worry, you can use WP theme detector, which is very handy to use. Here it posts the details as it says that the theme is using custom. Let's check it to WP theme detector. Okay, BAUER is the current theme which is this construction website is using. You can see the latest, you can see the installed version of this website. Now we're moving forward to our second method. If they hide the theme sometime while building their website or their theme, so just right click on the website and go to the page source. Now search the style.css, enter the style.css, and you can find some type of link here. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, click on this link, and here we go. It shows the website using DB and give the detailed information about this website. In this way, we can detect any theme of any website and the detailed information about the plugins installed on that website. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.